Someone asked me recently to maybe go through and make a video concerning what I see in the rocks. Well, regarding idols of the ancient Hindus, well, c- certainly they are better at describing rocks and the art contained in them than I am. But as you can see in this piece, it hasn't been um, touched really to clean it up or anything. But you can see a snake on top of the head of this person whose stature is quite clear. And then at 3 o'clock position, if this were the face of a clock, it would be the beak of a bird. Oh yeah, if you look at the whole outline on the structure, it becomes the face of a bird with an eye about where the bird's eye would be. You can see that if you look closely. And then underneath them, it looks like there's somewhat of a sea monster, or a plesiosaurus possibly. And the reflection coming up from the water pool below the plesiosaurus is reflecting the head of the plesiosaurus and the face of the man. Um, hmm. So what does this tell me in relationship to India? Well, birds, very important, snakes, very important to the Indians, the Hindus. And, you're going to see a lot more in this thing. It is looks like a vertebrae, probably of a human. I don't have a clue. Could be of some kind of creature. Yeah, they're kind of interesting. I like rocks, no doubt. Hmm. Yep. Whoop. That won't work. All right. Now, right here, very large face with a hat. And a funny looking nose. And another face right there. Looks quite Indian to me. There's a very interesting look. Is that a volcano or a hat on this person or creature? What is that? And what is this person? There's his mouth, little eyes. There's much more than that in there. For instance, here's the mouth of another creature. It's like a cat. But also, if you look closely, these are trees in a landscape, but also there's an eye and an eye there. And a bird right here. Could be a hut with smoke coming out of it. Or a hat. Or both. Multi-purpose. Bird. Plesiosaurus, possibly? Or a very big elephant bird style beak. Looks pretty formidable. Anyway, that's a trip down Cascadia Alley. Looks quite a bit like an interesting past in the prehistory. Well, they're hard to show sometimes, but you can see they're pretty much spaced out wherever they want to be. There's a lot of different characteristics to this information. Mastodon or elephant, I can't tell you. Some are bigger than others. What do you think? Look similar? Tell a story? Show any faces? Is the past here? Prehistory indeed. At least I think so.